Let me ask you this. Did you know you could jump from your SQE1 exam straight away into your SQE2 exam? Well, with us, you can prepare for both simultaneously. This is beneficial on two levels. Number one, you'll obviously better be able to understand all the practical sides of the theory you're learning during the very theoretical first SQE1 studies. And number two, by doing 2-in-1, you should be able to jump into the next SQE2 exam as soon as you obtain your SQE1 results. We developed SQE1 plus SQE2 package especially for this group of candidates. For SQE1 preparations. First, you'll have access to our pre-recorded lectures and concise notes, together with different attachments and references for your extra reading. Secondly, you'll obtain a 12-month subscription for our SQE live lecture series, 1,200 multiple choice questions, and a manual from Oxford University Press, that is the leading publisher in the field. For the SQE2, first, during your SQE1 prep, you'll have access to our SQE2 seminars, where we consider practical legal scenarios, learning how effectively apply the law to the facts, share tips, and exam tactics. You'll have access to all the skills lectures from our SQE2 packages, including legal drafting. That will definitely help you to understand the theory much better. You'll have a priority mock booking for the next SQE2 exam as soon as you pass the SQE1. You may start handling mocks at any time. Our team is client-focused, and we give personalized feedback to each and every candidate. We genuinely value each person and really commit to provide the best service. And this 2-in-1 pack is only £3,000. Check the prices of other providers. They are twice higher and without one-to-one simulations. That is the most costly component. Why pay more? Be smart.